Hey guys, it's Brian with Frostbite Off-Road. We're back out here with my buddy Kevin and his XJ and our JL. We're out here in Yackle. We're going to run Mountain View and head on down to the rock garden. My GoPro decided to not record audio for this trip, so we're going to have to throw some music on here and watch some rock crawling. Alright, let's watch Kevin get after it. Alright, so now that we're done with the gatekeeper, we're going to head on down Mountain View. You can kind of see where this trail gets its name. You can see all around you here. We're going to head on down here through the trees and head on over to the rock garden. Okay, that's going to do it for Mountain View. Alright, we're heading on down here to the rock garden. We're going to throw the drone up and get some footage of Kevin wheeling here in a second. This little play area is pretty cool. That XJ that Kevin has is pretty well built. He did take a pretty hard hit to that driver's side up by the grill there. It kind of bent it back and messed up one of his lights. Oh well, he's going to go ahead and trim that back here in a little bit. Alright, now it's my time to get after it. Okay guys, that's going to do it for that little rock garden section. We do head on down Old Ugly here and we keep wheeling for the rest of the day. If you guys want to check out that video, go ahead and make sure you're subscribed, like and comment on this one, and let's check out what we're going to see on the next video.